Thanks for making it the Russell Institute. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the order of operations, otherwise known as BOMDAS or BEMDAS or PEMDAS. Right, whatever variation that your teacher has given to you. I like to say BEMDAS, and simply because the O is not a common term we use in mathematics. O, which means order or operation. It's not a common term that we use in math. We much more commonly use E, exponent, or even power. So I prefer that than the O. So I say BEMDAS. So that means brackets first, exponent second, multiplication and division third, addition and subtraction fourth. So what's happening here is, if we look over here to the right, we have a little race going on, right? 100-meter sprint. And what happens is the brackets will always win that race. They are unanimous. They are undefeated. They always come first. After is the exponent, which means this little number over here, little number is called the exponent, and that must come second. After you deal with the brackets, you must deal with the exponents. In third place, there's a tie between multiplication and division. And the reason why they're tied is because they can be done at the same time. It doesn't matter which one you do first. You must always work from left to right and just multiply and divide at the same time. And finally, addition and subtraction. You should add and subtract at the same time, working from left to right. They're at the tie. So really and truly, there are only 4 places. Brackets first, exponent second, multiplication and division tie for multiplication and division tie for third, addition and subtraction tie for fourth. Now, that's a long-winded intro. And we can always say that that is the order of operations, but when we actually put it into action, how does it really work? So let's look at this example over here where we have 17 take away 6 multiplied by 5. Now, our natural desire is to just do what we see first. We just see it and we want to do that first. And it's so hard to resist. We want to say 17 take away 6. 17 take away 6 is 11, and 11 times 5 is 55. That's what we want to say, but that is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. It is so wrong that I never want to see it again. I don't. We have to think about our order of operations. Let's look at the race. So we have no brackets, we have no exponents, but don't we have multiplication? Yes, we do. And that must be done before any form of subtraction. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this multiplication first. 6 times 5 gives me 30. When I multiply 6 times 5, I get 30. So everything else that I did not use, so I didn't use the 17 and I did not use this minus sign. So I did not use them. So I'm going to bring them down. So I'm going to have 17 take away 30. 17 take away 30. Well, if I have $17, but I owe 30, it means I can pay off 17, but I will still owe $13. So the answer is, if you owe $13, the answer is negative 13. So you can see the first answer was so wrong, and I don't want you to do that. We have to multiply before we subtract. Okay, what does another example look like? Another example would look something like this. 15 plus 4 times 3 take away 2. All right. So there's different ways of looking at this. I see 15 plus 4. Is that 19 times 3? Then I take away 2. Is that how I do it? No. I need to think about my order of operations. What do I do first? What do I do first? Let's see. Are there any brackets? No. Are there any powers? No. Is there multiplication and division? Yes. So I have to take care of that first. So I go and I say, all right, there's the multiplication. That must be done first. What's 4 times 3? 12. Is there anything in this that I did not use? Yes, I did not use the 15 and the plus. So let's bring that down. 15 plus. I did not bring the subtract and the 2. So bring that down. 15 and 12. 27. 27 take away 2. 25. And that's how we do it. All right, let's make it just a slight bit more complicated. What about 3 plus 5? Take away 2 times 3. Now, how will we approach this one? So, we have 3 plus 5. And then we're going to subtract 2 times 3. What do I do first? Well, brackets always comes first, right? So I need to take care of my brackets first. 3 plus 5, that's 8. What did I not use? I didn't use any of this. So let me put it back. Take away 2 multiplied by 3. Now, I have subtraction and I have multiplication. Which one should I do first? I think I need to do the multiplication first. So, if I do 2 times 3, that is 6. What did I not use? I did not use the 8 and my subtract sign. So, I bring it down. 8 take away 6. And therefore, my answer is 2. Let's do one more example. All right, so let's see if you guys have caught on. So we're going to do 9 times 2 plus bracket 18 divided by 3 times 5. All right, so how do we get this thing done? So, first thing I need to eliminate is my brackets. Always start with your brackets. So, my brackets say 9 times 2. My brackets say 18 divided by 3. So 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So what did I not use? I didn't use this plus sign, so I need to carry it down. I didn't use this multiply by 5, so I need to carry it down. So now I have 18 plus 6 times 5. Now what do I do first? Do I do this addition or is there something before it? The answer is there is something before it. There's this multiplication that must come first. 6 times 5 is 30. What did I not use? I didn't use this plus. I didn't use this 18. So I'm going to have 18 plus 30, and my answer will be 48. Did you get that? Alright guys, thank you for making it the Russell Institute. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends about it. You might have a chance to win some free digital or Lime credit.